Hello guys, it's Brandon Played here, and so I don't have any much pack, so I'm just gonna be opening up two. All right. Why is this the one that's showing up on my screen? Why that one? This is terrible. Like, I was told there was a rare pack or a rare player. I didn't get any rare player out of that. Alright, come on, be good. It's gonna be terrible. Watch. Alright. Oh, 1,000 coins. I'm just gonna put these on the transfer market. I'm very tired today. I'm just gonna put these on the transfer market. This is what I gotta do. I'm just gonna click the other rest. Real Madrid Club Anthem. I'll keep it. So close, man. No way all of them just sold. They all literally just sold. Come on, let me buy my T-Bat Courtois for 100,000 coins. Come on. Wait, hold on. We can open up another one, guys. It's good. Hold on. We need to see. We can open up another one. Alright, guys. We're doing it. It's not gonna be good. The only thing good out of that is I got Paris Saint-Germain. Is it 600 coins? Honestly, this is just terrible. That's what this pack deserves. Let's see if I'll try and do another pack. If I can't, I'll just end the video here. So, bye. Hello guys, it's Brandon by Playter. Today we're opening up 11. What? I'm sorry, I thought we were doing the beginning of another video. Alright. No team of the week this time, guys. We don't have a team of the week yet. Not yet. Now, I'm going to play with a game. It's called Who Do You Think Will Be the Most Successful? Now, I know this person is young right here. But personally, out of all of these, I think this guy can do Lukaku. I don't know. I feel like this guy will be the most successful. I don't know. I don't fall out of my chair. Hold on. This guy has one more defending than the right winger. This right back has less defending in a PDM. kind of expected, but never mind. Hold on. You have 27 defending. Can you even? You can't do anything. Guys, my club is getting so tiny because I've been doing all these activities that I put in this. Like my only left back. I don't even have a left wing back. Okay, let me show you my plan. Okay, okay, yeah, there's like the 4th page. We're already at bronze. We're already done. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages. That's a small team. But I don't have a left back. Hold on, let me get a left back. What? Can you even play left wing back? You can. Really, everyone should. Here. Next one's the fastest, but next one has the most defense. This guy's fastest, so I'm gonna put him in. Don't act that. Listen, he has selected for defending. Pretty good. Alright. This is my team. I do have left back wingers. Good ones. Really good ones. Alright. You know, he's too good. You know, you can't leave him out. Hold on. Where's the normal formation that I always use in FIFA 23 career mode? Oh, speaking about that, not trying to spoil anything, but some FIFA career mode might be coming out soon. No, you won't want to miss that. There. Actually, I'm putting you in, and you better. So this is gonna be my team. I'm very tired. I might fall asleep. Hope I don't. Forgot I have a character. He is alone. I don't really care. So like, you're just gonna stay in front because you have more physical. So, okay, what did I just press? Okay. So, if you guys see black, oh no, you should not now. But if you did, I accidentally pressed something. So, I hope you guys like. I hope you guys subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.